Hello, my name is Hedda Chuck with Kiop Real Estate, and we're in the Mission District, and I want to introduce you to my new listing, 1515th Street, Unit 206. Let's take a look. This building is very secure. You through the butterfly system, and we turn it on here, and we can open in, and there's also a video camera. And here we come into the lobby, fully secure, beautiful design. Let's take you up to the second floor. So we're walking off the elevator and the unit is on the right side. As we walk into the studio unit, we are greeted with a beautiful galley kitchen, Bertazzoni stove, 4-inch, dishwasher, panel ready here, and a Bosch refrigerator. And you open up into a beautiful living and bedding space. Come out and take over here. You have views of our neighbors, beautiful landscape yard, and we are next to a building with a bit of artistic touches. In the closet space here, we also have alpha closet system, so easily for you to organize everything. A full bath with a shower over a tub. And we have a washer dryer, so very convenient. Let's take you up to the roof. Now we're at the rooftop of 1515th Street. We have the beautiful San Francisco skyline. From the top of here, you can see a 360 degrees. To our west, we have Buena Vista Park. We have the Twin Peaks Towers. And then here on the south side too, we can see great place to hang out. There are some chairs on the left side. Storage locker with your master key. You enter bike storage. It's first come, first serve, 2 tiers. And every unit has their own storage locker also. So we're at unit storage room 22. And here it is. Good place to put all your Christmas ornaments and all your extra luggage. Thank you for allowing me to show you this beautiful listing that I have at 1515th Street, Unit 206, Studio Condominium. Come visit me at my open house this Saturday, September 14th and 15th from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Thanks.